So Hubble is part of the Cilium platform, and the idea here is to extend that network observability. So we like to use the analogy that it's a little bit like Wireshark at the Kubernetes level for Cilium as well. So the idea here is that it's supposed to be non-intrusive and transparent as possible to anyone running their workload, but gives you a higher level of detail than just service discovery, which is one of the great features of Kubernetes. One of the things we can do with Hubble, because we pull the data from the data path of Cilium, is by using all of that eBPF goodness that we like to talk about, we can start to build out really cool functions such as service maps. Once we've got a service map and we understand how your applications operate together, then we can do other things. So we can start to think about network monitoring, so we can start to think about network alerting as well. And also with Cilium, we can do some really cool stuff as well. So we can actually get in a visibility level for the application itself. So think about that layer 7 capability. So exposing HTTP metrics, how long did it take for a request to be serviced? Was that a get against a certain path of your application? Does that take longer than other parts of your application as well? And actually, when we speak to customers and find out what they love about Cilium as a whole, actually the answer is typically Hubble. So they come to us and they will use Cilium for one of its functions, maybe service mesh, maybe the BGP features, but then they start to look at the additional parts of that platform, start to consume Hubble, start to see all the observability capability that it has, and it's a thumbs up from them.